At first sight, it looks like a donut, right? Or a piece of art. Of course, I know it's actually geek stuff. You will need sports a lot in summer to turn on air condition before you come back home. Maybe 18 degrees fits me best. I just want a cool home in the summer heat. Also put away all of those ugly rectangle remote controllers in living room. Only sports is needed now. Cookies right here. Charge your phone. Your desk will be always clean and tidy, you know. No matter work, study, travel, or biz trip. It is taking care of my family. Well, I can't live without it. What about you?